The Singer Simple Sewing Machine has a variety of stretch stitches. That's actually why the S in the teal area and the red area are noted as an S. They're stretch stitches. But I'm going to show you one of my favorites. It's actually in the straight stitch area. So when I normally sew straight stitch, you see kind of a stitch that looks like there's 3 stitches next to each other. Well, this is called a triple straight stitch. So let me go ahead and switch over, and I will tell you the same stitch is actually on the teal one or the red one, so it won't matter which one you actually pick. What it's going to do is going to go 2 stitches forward and 1 stitch back. Now I'm actually stitching on the bias edge of this fabric, so I can really show you how the fabric stretches, but it's nice and secure. So being a triple straight stitch, that means that the needle has gone and made a stitch forward and back. This stitch here actually is twice as thick, but it's also 3 times as strong, and it can be pulled, but it won't break. If you just sew a straight stitch and do that, we would have heard lots of popping as those stitches get stretched out and it separates. So this is considered a stretch stitch because it has that give. So once again, it won't matter if you're on the red or the teal S, it's actually the same stitch. And look over here, you do have a zigzag version of this as well. So let's go ahead and stitch that one. It actually almost looks decorative. It can look like rickrack. It's fun with variegated threads. So if you want to have some extra pop of color on the fabric, try a decorative thread and a triple zigzag. So those, again, still a stretch stitch, so it really help keep everything going. Now, one thing about the triple straight stitch is if you've ever had to stitch over something 3 times to make it look strong or be strong, just pick the stitch because it'll do it for you.